Can you name these 20 classic pickup trucks? Some are icons, others are forgotten workhorses, but only true enthusiasts will recognize them all. Guess it right from just the photo, and you'll score 3 points. Need the multiple choice? That's just 1 point. Which pickup is this? A. 1948 Ford F1. B. 1949 Chevrolet 3100. C. 1950 Dodge B Series. D. 1951 GMC New Design. Correct answer, A. 1948 Ford F1. The F1 kicked off Ford's legendary F-Series line and set the standard for post-war trucks. Its rugged build and modern styling made it an instant favorite. Is this classic hauler? A. 1953 Chevrolet Advanced Design. B. 1954 International R110. C. 1955 Ford F100. D. 1956 Dodge C3. Correct answer, C. 1955 Ford F100. With smooth curves and a V8 option, the F100 blended style and muscle perfectly. It quickly became a favorite among hot rodders and collectors. Pick your answer. A. 1960 Chevrolet Apache. B. 1961 Dodge D100. C. 1962 GMC Fleetside. D. 1963 Ford F250. Correct answer, A. 1960 Chevrolet Apache. The Apache brought independent front suspension to Chevy trucks for the first time. Its fleetside design gave it a bold, modern look. Which truck is this? A. 1947 Dodge Power Wagon. B. 1948 Studebaker M5. C. 1949 Willys Overland Jeep Pickup. D. 1950 International L110. Correct answer, A. 1947 Dodge Power Wagon. The Power Wagon was born from military vehicles and built to conquer any terrain. Its toughness made it a favorite of farmers, ranchers, and adventurers. Your choices are A. 1957 GMC Blue Chip. B. 1958 Chevrolet Cameo Carrier. C. 1959 Ford Ranchero. D. 1960 Dodge Sweepline. Correct answer, B. 1958 Chevrolet Cameo Carrier. The Cameo introduced car-like style to pickups, making trucks fashionable for suburban drivers. Its limited production makes it a rare collectible today. Is this pickup? A. 1965 Dodge D100 Sweepline. B. 1966 Chevrolet C10 Stepside. C. 1967 Ford F250 Ranger. D. 1968 International Travelette. Correct answer, B. 1966 Chevrolet C10 Stepside. Known for its clean lines and small block power, the C10 became a classic of the muscle truck era. Today, it's a favorite canvas for restorers and custom builders. Which rare hauler is this? A. 1961 Jeep Gladiator. B. 1962 Ford Econoline Pickup. C. 1963 Dodge A100 Pickup. D. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Rampside. Correct answer, D. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Rampside. With its rear engine and unique side-loading ramp, the Corvair Rampside was one of the quirkiest pickups ever built. Its unusual design makes it a conversation piece at shows today. Guess this one. A. 1955 Chevrolet Task Force. B. 1956 Ford F-100. C. 1957 Dodge Sweepside. D. 1958 GMC Suburban Carrier. Correct answer, C. 1957 Dodge Sweepside. With tail fins borrowed from Dodge cars, the Sweepside was flashy and unlike any other truck of its time. It's one of the rarest pickups of the 1950s. Which truck are we looking at? A. 1965 International D Series. B. 1966 Ford Bronco pickup. C. 1967 Chevrolet C20 Longhorn. D. 1968 GMC Sprint. Correct answer, C. 1967 Chevrolet C20 Longhorn. The Longhorn was Chevy's answer to heavy-duty hauling with an extra-long 8.5-foot bed. It was marketed to ranchers and construction workers who needed serious capacity. Is this one? A. 1959 Studebaker Champ. B. 1960 Ford Ranchero. C. 1961 Chevrolet El Camino. D. 1962 Dodge Lancer pickup. Correct answer, A. 1959 Studebaker Champ. The Champ was Studebaker's attempt to modernize its aging pickup line using passenger car styling. Despite its charm, it couldn't save Studebaker's declining truck sales. Which pickup is this? A. 1965 Dodge D200. B. 1966 International 1200. A. C. 1967 GMC C1500. D. 1968 Ford F250 Camper Special. Correct answer, D. 1968 Ford F250 Camper Special. Designed for the booming RV market, the Camper Special was built to carry slide-in campers with ease. Its heavy-duty suspension made it popular with long-haul travelers. Guess the classic. A. 1954 Willys pickup. B. 1955 Chevrolet Cameo. C. 1956 Dodge D100. D. 1957 International A Series. Correct answer, A. 1954 Willys pickup. Based on Jeep's rugged designs, the Willys pickup was tough and utilitarian. Farmers and off-roaders loved its no-nonsense capability. Your options: A. 1961 GMC Suburban Carrier. B. 1962 Studebaker Champ Deluxe. C. 1963 Dodge D2 100 Sweepline. D. 1964 Chevrolet C10 Fleetside. Correct answer, C. 1963 Dodge D200 Sweepline. The Sweepline introduced a wider cargo box and cleaner styling to Dodge's lineup. It marked Dodge's push to modernize against Ford and Chevy. Which truck do you see here? A. 1950 Chevrolet 3100. B. 1951 Ford F3. C. 1952 GMC 100. D. 1953 Dodge B4B. Correct answer, B. 1951 Ford F3. Larger than the F1, the F3 was Ford's 3/4-ton workhorse. It offered more hauling power while keeping the same rugged style. Number 15. Spot this pickup. A. 1969 Chevrolet C10 CST. B. 1970 Ford F100 Ranger XLT. C. 1971 Dodge D100 Adventurer. D. 1972 GMC Sierra Grande. Correct answer, A. 1969 Chevrolet C10 CST. The custom sport truck package added bucket seats, trim, and extra comfort to Chevy's C10. It helped push pickups into the personal use market. Any guesses? A. 1946 Studebaker M16. B. 1947 Chevrolet Loadmaster. C. 1948 Dodge B1B. D. 1949 Ford F2. Correct answer, C. 1948 Dodge B1B. Dodge's B Series introduced a new cab with better visibility and comfort. It was a leap forward in truck design after the war. Which classic truck is this? A. 1970 Dodge D200 Adventurer. B. 1971 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10. C. 1972 Ford F-250 Ranger. D. 1973 GMC Sierra Grande. Correct answer, B. 1971 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10. The Cheyenne Super 10 offered upscale interiors, wood grain trim, and big V8 power. It proved that pickups could be luxurious as well as tough. Name this pickup. A. 1956 Studebaker Transtar. B. 1957 Chevrolet Task Force 3200. C. 1958 Ford F-250 Style Side. D. 1959 Dodge D100 Swept Line. Correct answer, A. 1956 Studebaker Transtar. The Transtar was Studebaker's stylish update to its Champ pickup line. Its sharp looks and solid engineering make it a standout today. Number 19. Your turn. A. 1965 Jeep Gladiator J200. B. 1966 Ford F-250 Highboy. C. 1967 Chevrolet C30 one-ton. D. 1968 Dodge D300. Correct answer, B. 1966 Ford F-250 Highboy. The Highboy earned its nickname from its tall stance and heavy-duty 4x4 suspension. It became a favorite among ranchers and off-road enthusiasts. Last one. A. 1957 Dodge Swept Side. B. 1958 Chevrolet Apache. C. 1959 GMC Blue Chip 100. D. 1960 Ford F-100. Correct answer, B. 1958 Chevrolet Apache. The Apache combined bold styling with improved handling and comfort. Today, it's one of the most sought-after classic Chevrolets. Drop your score in the comments and prove you're a true car guru. Don't forget to subscribe for more classic car quizzes.